Hi, my name is Katie Janice, and I teach 5th grade social studies and science at Evansville Christian School in Evansville, Indiana. I have the unique opportunity this year of teaching the same group that I had last year as I was able to loop with them. Last year, we did a project using the giant traveling map looking at transportation and just the connectivity of our state to other peoples. And so, using the information that we had learned from last year, I created a lesson where we were able to look at how trade connected Native Americans and Hoosier settlers. So, what we did is we discussed what Indiana might have looked like in the past. We also had a map of Indiana with the different Native American tribes that lived here 200, 300, 400 years ago. And so, through discussion, we were able to think about how Indiana looked in the past and what it looks like today. I also tried to prompt students to think about vocabulary words that we have learned in class, and one of those is barter. And so we talked about trade. I had created a Prezi that I showed after our discussion that had words related to trade, such as good, culture, international, and students were able to have a more in-depth idea of what that looks like. After we went through the Prezi, I gave students 2 options for a writing prompt. One was in relation to our bicentennial, which we just celebrated, and it was how has Indiana changed in the past 200 years? The second writing prompt was how did trade connect Native Americans with Hoosier settlers? We had a lot of great class discussion, and a lot of students had a lot of really good ideas in their responses. This was a great activity. It could easily be modified for any state, younger grades, older grades, and the students really were engaged and they enjoyed this opportunity. I hope that you enjoyed listening, and thank you for this opportunity.